Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, today we have another lovely coin to show you. As you can see, it is a product from the Royal Canadian Mint. Of course, we can tell that because it has the lovely logo on the top there. So first, obviously, we're starting off with the wonderful box from the Royal Canadian Mint and getting into the product itself. Packaged very well. You have that iconic red Canadian Mint box there. Very, very nice. I have to say, I do like the angles on this particular box. I think it looks very regal and elegant and definitely a very sort of sophisticated high-end product, as we are about to see when we get into this box. So first of all, we'll start off with the certificate as always. This is, of course, a numbered certificate with authenticity. You have some more information there about the product. So there you can see again that it's a 2022 $300 pure platinum coin. Fantastic. Now this is Maple Leaf Forever, which is great. That just sounds phenomenal, doesn't it? I wonder if anyone has Maple Leaf Forever tattooed on their body. Any Canadians out there watching this? Do you have this tattoo? Or anyone else for that matter? Do you really just love maple leaves? So also here we go into further detail inside the booklet, more detail about the coin itself. You've got 30 millimeters there, 31.16 grams of platinum, which is very nice. And of course you've got the lovely yellow gold plating on the rim, which is a highlight from this coin for sure. So we'll just take out some of the plastic bubble wrap there. That's just what EMK pops in there for some extra protection. And now let's take a look at the fabulous coin itself. Very nice. Now, as always with Royal Canadian Mint products, you can just see the quality straight away. It is definitely expertly struck, as stated in the certificate of authenticity. Just fantastic. And there, of course, we can see the beautiful yellow gold plating on the rim. Just a standout feature from this coin. And then, of course, the maple leaves in the middle. Different finishes on each leaf to ensure that they stand out in their own unique way. Very nice. Now, this is a reverse proof, which is always nice to see. Something different to highlight different aspects of the coin. Of course, we have Queen Elizabeth II on here, and there's that $300 that I mentioned before. That's a face value for this coin. Very, very nice. Gosh. Now it is a bit of a shame. I have the gloves on today, of course, but I won't be taking this coin out of the capsule. The Royal Canadian Mint coins are always a little bit tricky to get out of their capsules. So we'll just keep this one in there for today. We don't want to risk damaging anything. You can see that this coin really has been pressed wonderfully. Just a fantastic product from the Royal Canadian Mint. Platinum, reverse proof, yellow gold plated coin. Phenomenal. A lovely product from Royal Canadian Mint. And I have been made aware that we have limited stock here at EMK. So if you're interested in getting this piece for your collection, hop onto the website, that's www.emk.com, and secure your Maple Leaf Forever coin today. Fantastic. If you're interested in seeing some more videos from EMK, do hop onto their YouTube channel, that's EMK Coins.